Alright guys, this video is actually for your parents tonight. I wanted to go over what you're going to see in your packets when you get them tomorrow. It's going to be in a big envelope like this. And I'm just going to go through and show you each thing that you'll see so that in case you're confused about something, I can kind of clear it up now. Okay, the first thing that you'll see is just a little note from me, and it has 3 little coupons at the bottom that your child can use, and you can kind of just read over it and it explains what to do. It's just something fun for the kids to make them feel connected with each other and connected with me during this time. So that's just some coupons. The next thing you'll see is some bingo cards. This first one is the sight word bingo. And on the back of that is our list of sight words. We have officially learned all 40 words, so that's what we're going to be practicing over the next couple of weeks. If there's a word that your child continuously mixes up or is just unsure about, that's the ones that you should be working on. If you feel like your child really knows a sight word, then just don't worry about those. You can just kind of come back to it every now and then. The next one is a math bingo, and this is kind of like mixed skills, so some skills that we've already done, maybe some skills that we haven't quite done yet or we won't get to until 1st grade, but it's still things that you can practice with your child. And then the last one is a family fun bingo, and this is just fun stuff that you guys can do as a family in the evenings or if you have some extra time or on the weekends. We are asking that you fill in 1 box for your sight word bingo and your math bingo every school day. So you know Wednesday is our brain break day, and then you don't have to worry about weekends, but try to do 1 of these each school day, and they usually don't take a lot of time. Like one says, I made sight word flashcards, I read 10 sight words in my pajamas, so just fun things like that just to keep it exciting. So 1 sight word bingo a day, and you can just color it in when you complete that one, and then 1 for your math bingo and you color it in. The family fun, that's just up to you how you want to do that as a family. That's not required. Okay, so then the next thing you'll see is our first week, which starts on Tuesday. Because we get the Monday off for spring break, we're not going to have a brain break Wednesday. So it'll be Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. This is exactly how the other ones went. It tells you kind of check off as you go. You'll get your PowerPoints to do, and then like paper clip together is each day. So if you unpaperclip that, there's your calendar, and then we have them labeled Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Okay, so I think everything on here kind of explains it, and it also has the bingo on here for you to see. You'll notice it might look a little different than last time. Let me show you what I mean. So we kind of condensed it. We didn't do as many worksheets. That's why we added in the bingo. So you're still getting that extra practice, but it's not a lot of like pencil and paper, or at least not as much. So on the back of your morning work, instead of the blank writing paper, you'll see the writing sheet that was in the packet last time. So instead of having 2 writing activities, it's just going to be the 1 on the back of the morning work. And then what we're starting in math for the next couple of weeks is 3D shapes. So we did 2D shapes the last couple weeks, and now we'll move on to 3D shapes. And then that will be the end of our math curriculum. So you'll see in the 3rd week that it's going to be some math review sheets, because that will be the end of our curriculum. Okay. So, and also with reading, we've learned all of our letter sounds and our sight words. So also with reading, with the PowerPoints, you're going to see some more review stuff. Okay, so then here is week 1. Week 2, so this is just Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, because we have our brain break day here. And then our 3rd week is only 3 days. We have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday's brain break, Thursday, and then our anticipated day to be back at school is May 1st, which is actually a Friday. So as of now, we just have Monday, Tuesday, Thursday for this week. Okay, so we have our 3 weeks, everything's paper clipped together like that. And then in the back, you're gonna see this, it says extra stuff optional. This is completely optional, your child does not have to do it. We included a few craft things, like little fun activities last go round, and a lot of the parents said that they appreciated that. So we wanted to include a few things. Again, you don't have to do it, but if your child would like to or you have extra time, In April is Earth Day, so we thought it would be a good time to do like some Earth Day activities. So this is a little headband they can color and cut out, and then I included a little blue strip just to make like the band to go around their head. And then also right behind that, you'll see this. It has the little earth at the bottom. So they can just write about what Earth Day means to them. If you go on YouTube and look up Earth Day for Kids, I'm sure there's lots of different resources you can find. And again, this is optional if you want to do it. And then they can just draw a picture to go along with what they write. This next one is just kind of like a kindness activity. It says, I have the keys to kindness: be patient, be friendly, help others, be caring. So they can just color this, cut it out. You talk about being kind, and then just clip it together with something you have around the house. This is another kindness activity. It says, I can be kind. They color the rainbow, write about how they can be kind, and then they can just cut both out, and then this says glue here, so they can kind of glue it onto this just to make like a little cute little rainbow activity. And then this last thing is a social distancing time capsule, which I thought was pretty cool that you could do with your family, even with some of the older kids. So it's just different pages. I stay safe by staying at my blank, and they can fill it out. This is how I wash my hands. So this is just something fun that you can keep, for the future. Okay, so that is everything that you'll see when you get your child's packet tomorrow. So if you're doing an activity and you're not sure, you can kind of reference back to this video, or always email me if you have any questions. All right, guys, I hope you enjoy the rest of your spring break and have a great Easter. Bye.